G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. They're basically rubs being cut out of the larger boulders so you keep the weight down for postage. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, the white that you can see like on here is the reflection of the lights. It's been ground down, you just got to finish off the shape. There's two different sorts of opal here. There's crystal up the top, then closer to the normal look of Boulder Opal there on the bottom. This piece is a little window. I'd suggest just cut it, as you can see there. This piece. Bit of red showing up in the corner there. This is an interesting piece. It's been rubbed down, ready to polish. Matrix type piece. It's the back. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.